I'm positive no clear answer going to be applied. I have a client who owes over $3,000 for the state, but getting a federal refund of $2,000. How does one go so upside down? I'm guessing it's from what they paid in. I'm guessing, if you look at their actual tax. So when you guys look at your tax returns, my favorite page to go to is your comparison, because it's like a summary. You don't have to flip through the whole thing. And in that summary, or in that 2-year comparison or year-over-year comparison, it's called different things in different softwares. There's an income section, there's an adjustments section, there's a deductions section, and then when all is said and done, it'll tell you your tax, right? So your total tax for the year. Then below that, it'll say how many, any payments applied, any credits, your withholding, all the payments you've made throughout the year, and then you have your balance. All right. So your balance due is not your tax for the year. Okay. Unless you paid $0 in throughout the year through withholding, estimated tax payments, you've had you get no credits. Your total tax does not equal your balance when you file your tax return. All right. So I want you guys to look at your total tax. And then if you look at and then at the very bottom of any of your 2-year comparisons, it'll tell you your, not your marginal, well, it does tell you your marginal, but your effective tax rate. Okay. And so your effective tax rate on federal is usually somewhere between 10 and 30%, depending on your income and your deductions and all that. And state taxes, like in Colorado, state tax is 4.65%. Okay. But if you look at circling back around to your question, how do you get it so upside down? My guess is their total tax is in alignment. Okay. Their total state tax is in alignment with whatever their state tax percentage is. Their federal is in alignment, but what they've paid in before you file your tax return, or before that tax return is filed, is upside down. And I did that. I filed my tax return and I did great on federal. I was getting like $250 back, which is, I want to try to break even, but I forgot about Colorado, and I owed money on Colorado because I didn't pay into Colorado the way I paid into federal at the end of the year.